Good day, traders. This is an installation video for Hawkeye bots. After you download the robot, you get a folder like this. Extract the folder. Copy the extracted folder. Go to File. Open Data Folder. Click on the white space, then paste. At this point, if you already had this before, you can just replace the files. Okay, then just close, go to expert advisors, then refresh. You'll then see Hawkeye for XM folder appearing. You can then expand. Okay. Now, to attach the board to a chart, just open a chart. You can drag, or you can open the chart, then double click on the robot. Go to the Common tab, check Allow Algo Trading. Then go to Inputs. These are the settings that will govern how the bot runs. Okay. So I have already provided you with set files to replace these default values. All you need to do is to click load. It will bring you to MQL5 folder, then select presets, open XM affiliates, then select the currency pair that you want to attach the robot to. In this case, I'm attaching it to Euro USD. Just click, then open. As you can see, those previous values are now replaced. You can then now select OK. You're done. The robot is ready to trade. Always make sure this button is enabled. You are done. You can just wait. Let Hawkeye print money for you. Thank you.